it's the police. Can you open the door, please?
Did you make an appointment?
No.
Then come back tomorrow.
That's a first.
Hey, sweetheart, can you tell us? Daddy got married so quickly. Why?
Because no other girl was ready.
Oh my goodness, that's it!
Why'd you call a police officer?
Because Dad is snoring.
But snoring's not a crime.
But it is loud.
Are you happy today?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you have a message for your mommy and daddy?
Mac is in the house.
Did you call the police?
Mommy ate my chocolate. Take her to jail.
I know, she shared it with me.
Traitor!
We need more money.
Why don't you just check Mommy's purse?